Welcome back to Reviews Inside TV. Today, we're taking a look at a vacuum cleaner that promises to tackle a variety of messes across different floor types. The Vacmaster UC0501 Bagless Upright Vacuum Cleaner. With its efficient Cyclone filtration system, impressive dust cup capacity, and a 17-foot cord, this model aims to simplify cleaning your carpets, hard floors, and even stairs. But does it live up to the claims? Let's find out. The Vacmaster UC0501 is designed with multi-surface cleaning in mind, offering a solid mix of features that make it versatile for homes with different flooring types. It has a lightweight build, weighing under 11 pounds, which is always a win for easy maneuverability and portability. Whether you're hauling it up the stairs or dragging it around the house, it doesn't feel cumbersome. The upright design feels pretty stable when in use, and with its relatively compact size, storing it shouldn't be much of a hassle either. When it comes to performance, the UC0501 doesn't disappoint. The powerful suction makes quick work of dust, dirt, and debris, whether you're cleaning thick carpets, plush rugs, or smooth hard floors. It works especially well on carpets, lifting embedded dirt without any major struggle. The Cyclone filtration system helps maintain consistent suction by separating dirt and debris more efficiently, which is particularly beneficial for allergy sufferers. This vacuum handles pet hair pretty well too, which is crucial for households with furry friends. The included tool attachment, made specifically for pet hair pickup, gives it that extra edge in keeping your spaces hair-free. As far as practical use goes, the vacuum's dust cup is large enough to avoid frequent emptying, which is a bonus for those who don't want to interrupt their cleaning flow too often. However, it's worth mentioning that when the dust cup fills up, it's a bit of a chore to clean out the mess. But with a good capacity of 2.5 liters, you get decent cleaning time before that becomes an issue. Now, the 17-foot cord provides a respectable range for cleaning, but it's definitely not the longest. It's a bit limiting if you have larger rooms or multiple levels to tackle, and you'll likely find yourself needing an extension cord for bigger spaces or larger homes. But for smaller homes or apartments, the length is serviceable and should suffice for most cleaning needs. In terms of comfort, the lightweight design plays a significant role here. The UC0501 feels easy to move around, and with the flexible 7-foot hose, you can clean above floor areas like stairs, upholstery, or even ceiling corners with relative ease. The 3-in-1 combination tool that comes with the vacuum is perfect for quick cleanups between couch cushions or along baseboards, adding extra value to the overall package. One of the standout features is the ergonomic handle, which feels comfortable in your hand during long cleaning sessions. The swivel steering allows for smooth turns, and the vacuum doesn't feel like it's dragging you around the room. That said, if you're hoping for a machine that makes absolutely no noise while running, this isn't it. While it's not overly loud, the sound level is noticeable, especially in smaller rooms where the sound can echo a bit. Let's talk about the pros and cons. The Vacmaster UC0501 suction is solid across multiple surfaces, and the lightweight design is a definite plus for users who need portability. The included attachments, particularly the pet hair tool, are valuable and help address specific needs. However, its relatively short cord and limited range might be a deal breaker for those with large homes or lots of stairs to clean. Additionally, while it's lightweight, it doesn't have the same premium feel that some higher-end vacuums boast. Its plastic construction feels a little more utilitarian than luxurious, but that's a trade-off for its affordable price point. Now, comparing this vacuum to some other options on the market, you'll find a few notable alternatives. The Shark Navigator Liftaway, for instance, is another upright vacuum that's also highly versatile. However, the Shark offers better suction power, particularly on thick carpets, and its lift-away canister function gives it a bit of an edge in terms of above-floor cleaning. On the other hand, the Vacmaster's lightweight nature and specialized pet hair tool might be more attractive to those with pets or small spaces. It doesn't quite match the Shark in overall cleaning power, but for the price, it's a solid contender for smaller homes and pet owners on a budget. When it comes to build quality, the UC0501 feels well constructed. But again, It's not as sturdy as some pricier models. It's plastic, not metal, and while it should hold up over time, you might find it more prone to wear and tear with heavy use. Maintenance is relatively straightforward. Just clean out the dust cup and check the filter when necessary. The brush roll can sometimes tangle with long hair, but that's common across most vacuums, especially those without self-cleaning brush rolls. Customer support is something to consider, though I didn't have any direct interactions with the brand regarding this specific vacuum. Based on the general reputation of Vacmaster, their customer service seems to be responsive and helpful, but as with any vacuum, it's always worth checking the warranty details for peace of mind. To wrap it up, the Vacmaster UC0501 is a solid, budget-friendly vacuum that delivers great suction, ease of use, and versatility for smaller homes, apartments, and pet owners. While it may not have the same level of suction or long-term durability as some premium models, it's a great option for those seeking a lightweight, easy-to-use vacuum that won't break the bank. It's particularly good for cleaning multiple surfaces, including pet hair, and offers good value for the price. If you're considering this vacuum, it's a solid choice if you don't need the longest cord or the most premium construction. But if you have a larger home or want something a bit more robust, you may want to look into some of the pricier alternatives. Thanks for watching. If you're interested in the Vacmaster UC0501, you can find the link to get it in the comments box. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell so you never miss one of our reviews. Feel free to ask any questions in the comments or share your own experience with this vacuum. Until next time, goodbye, and remember, cleaning can be a chore, but at least it doesn't have to be boring.